for a
No,
second.
I'm like, look at people, man. Look at that. Look at the wind. Crazy wind in Las
Oh,
Vegas.
this one girl's like,
Crazy wind in Las Vegas. That's what I'm gonna say.
luckily we're having
Oh, to this video. Crazy wind in Las Vegas. Oh, look at Bellagio's water.
Oh my god, I care
Is it
so
Bellagio?
much.
No, it's Mirage. It's Mirage. Look at
I
that.
can't even see the water.
Yeah, did you see how many Indians? Probably they stay in Mirage. Ooh, crazy, crazy wind in Las Vegas. Look at that. Look at that. Because people bring from other countries
Okay, then
in their
let them not come from other
suitcases.
countries.
They're tourists. Who is
No,
gonna
they're
stop
not
them?
allowed to be.
Okay, see, people are wearing
Asians, of
masks because
Tell
My God, I
Mommy.
saw an Asian guy.
Oh my god, what's wrong with this bus? Oh my, of what?
that fountain. It's a fountain in
I
the.
can't see any fountain.
It's raining a little. It's wind. It's cloudy. It's